Zinc fingers are small protein structural motif characterized by coordination of zinc ion which stabilizes their fold. The term zinc finger reflects the finger-like appearance of these structure which typically consist of about 30 amino acids and can bind DNA, RNA or protein. These are the structural characteristics. Number 1, zinc coordination. Zinc finger contain a zinc ion coordinated by cysteine and histidine residue, forming a stable structure that is crucial for their function. Along with that, modular design. Zinc finger can be linked in tandem to recognize various nucleic acid sequence, allowing for extensive combinatorial possibility in DNA recognition. Additionally, diverse family. There are multiple structure families of zinc finger, each with unique three-dimensional architecture that influence their binding specificity. If you talk about the biological function, it has role in gene regulation. Zinc finger proteins play significant role in gene expression regulation. By engineering zinc finger protein to target specific DNA sequence, scientists and researchers can activate or repress any gene. Additionally, genome editing. Zinc finger nucleases, which combines zinc finger domain with a DNA cleavage domain, enable precise genome modification by utilizing the cell's natural repair mechanism. Along with that, therapeutic application. Zinc finger proteins are being explored for therapeutic uses, including gene therapy and the development of improved crop variety through targeted gene manipulation. Recently, many studies are also being done on artificial zinc finger protein. The advances in synthetic biology have led to the creation of artificial zinc protein designed for specific application in gene editing and therapy. Zinc finger are found in approximately 3% of human genes and are involved in numerous cellular processes, including transcription regulation, mRNA processing, and chromatin modeling. The discovery and development of zinc fingers have revolutionized molecular biology and genetics. Their unique structural property and versatility make them invaluable tool for research and therapeutic application. As research continue to evolve, zinc finger hold promises for further advancement in genetic engineering and biotechnology.